Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video is for all the moms out there, or for those of you who are busy so much that you literally don't have time to put makeup on and get ready and feel good. I got you covered. I'm going to use 4 products and 3 brushes to get ready. I will time this video and it will be unedited so that you get a better idea of how long it actually takes to get ready. All of the products I use will be in the description box. If you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing all of that. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And now let's get to it. Alright, 3 minutes. Foundation, 2 pumps. Sponge. Okay. Tissue. More foundation. Bronzer. You need bronzer to look alive. See the difference? Okay. Bronzer for the crease. Blush. Ooh. Sponge. Sponge. Applying that on my lips. A brown mascara. This might be the most time-consuming part of this video. We're still good though. Okay. And lastly, a lip gloss. And we are done. Alright, and we're at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Please check the description box for all the products that I used, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!